Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to International Conference Interdis 2025. First of all, I like to say thank you for giving me on time. I'm Adi Indradi Wasdi, representative of Sharia Management Business at Masum University. Today, I would like to present the paper titled The Influence of Perceived of Use, Social Influence and Security on User Satisfaction of Postpay Application Services at PT Pos Indonesia Bandung Branch. And in writing this paper, I was assisted by two other authors, namely Maula Nurul Hidayatullah and Felita Agustin. Okay, let's take a look the first point. It is about the introduction of this study. Okay, Indonesia has now entered the digital economy era, where digital information and communication technology are utilized in economic activities. This is because Indonesians have begun to adopt payment system using electronic or digital money. Businesses are competing to innovate by developing electronic payment tools that simplify the payment process, commonly known as e-payment. The presence of e-payment has had a significant impact on the ease of transaction, thereby achieving user satisfaction. And user satisfaction is used to measure service or product satisfaction with the services or products received by consumer or customer. And then one factor that can lead the decreased user satisfaction with application service. The first one is perceived ease of use. Perceived ease of use refers to customer perception of the ease of use of application design to minimize difficulties when conducting digital or online business. And the second one is social influence. Social influence refers to environmental influences such as advice or opinion from family, relatives, and friends, which can influence technology use. Another factor influencing user satisfaction is security. Security is used to measure a person's confidence that the technology they use is guaranteed to be safe and protect from all possible threats. Furthermore, user data security is also guaranteed, preventing unauthorized access. Okay. Many companies now have digital payment application, including state-owned PT Pos Indonesia Bandung Branch, which operator in postal and general correspondence, courier service, logistic, and financial transaction. And to improve the quality of its services, PT Pos Indonesia Bandung Branch has implemented an innovation by utilizing information technology by creating a product called the Postpay application. Well, as you can see, this Postpay is a smartphone application for Android or iOS that is distributed to customers so they can use financial services independently. The Postpay application features services such as payment statement like postpaid electricity, postpaid landline or mobile phone, PDAM, motorcycle and car installment, and also BPJS. And with the Postpay application, people are expected to experience the convenience of paying installment or bills without having to go to post office. And as you can see, based on the table and image above, we can see the number of Postpay application user fluctuated during 2019 until 2023. This is thought to be due to factors such as perceived of use, social influence, and security. Okay, the methodology. The type research method use a qualitative method with an associative approach, targeting user of the Postpay application at PT Pos Indonesia Bandung Branch. Primary data was collected directly from the research location, including questionnaire, observation, and interview with both PT Pos Indonesia Bandung and Postpay application users. And the population in this study was 9,071 postpay app user in Bandung. The sampling method used in this study was probability sampling calculated using the Slovin formula, with the resulting sample size was 99 people. There is an influence of perceived ease of use on user satisfaction on postpay application services at PT Pos Indonesia Bandung branch, with the result of testing the hypothesis that the value of T count 7.176 greater than T table 1.290, and coefficient determination of 0.347 or 34.7%. Second one, there is influence of social influence on user satisfaction of postpay application services. The T count 4.727 greater than T table 1.290, and coefficient determination 0.187 or 18.7%. And the last one, there is the influence of security on user satisfaction of postpay application services at PT Pos Indonesia Bandung branch. T count 2.835 greater than T table 1.290, and coefficient determination 0.076 or 7.6%. And the simultaneously, the last one, the result of F count is 18.844 greater than F table 2.00. Significant value is 0 smaller than 0.1. The coefficient determination is 0.373 or 37.3%, and the remaining 62.7% is influenced by a factor not examined. Okay, based on the result of research and discussion, it can be concluded that perceived ease of use has a significant effect on user satisfaction of 34.7%. Social influence has a significant effect on user satisfaction of 18.7%. Security has a significant effect on user satisfaction of 7%. And the last one, perceived ease of use, social influence, and security significantly influence user satisfaction of 37.3%. Okay, that's all from me today. Thank you very much for your attention. I close this presentation by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.